Sunglass try on haul. Okay guys, so jumping right in, opening a box. This is how it came on the inside. They came with all sunglass pouches. These sunglasses came from a place called the Sunglass Spot. Everything's going to be in the description box below, of course. So just jumping right into it, guys. We're going to start with the first pair. It's going to be, here we have these colorful edgy cat eye sunnies in the color teal green. I'm loving them. They came with a nice little black sunglass bag just to carry them in and travel with them. So of course I'm going to bring them with me. Okay guys, so those glasses were $5. Moving right into the next pair, I'm gonna move into these bold, thick, temp, classic rectangular sunnies. These are in the color yellow. These are so cute. They also have the hole for you to put like the strap foam to go around your neck, you know. These were $5.95, reasonable price. These right here giving me 10 out of 10. I'm loving these. I love these so much, I bought 2 pair. The next color, guys, I also got these green pair. They were also $5.95. These are so freaking cute. These giving me, you know, on a beach somewhere. But you know what? We're gonna swag these out. Just wait and see. These had branded bags that say Sunglass Spot. Nice, pretty. So now we're gonna take it to the beach a little bit. You know, like put me on the beach or dress me up and take me out with the heels on, you know, something. And these are the chain link flat top glamour squared sunnies. These were $5. Get into it. Okay. Look at the chain. Period. Loving a brown, of course. These are brown with the gradient frame. Taking her off. Nice brown. With a chain link on top. Okay. These are so cute. Now we're gonna take it to the date night, the classy, take it back to like the 90s. We're gonna take it back to the 90s right fast. These are the rimless high fashion sunnies. They're brown and gradient. They were $6.95. I think these were the most expensive out of all of them because they're kind of in style now. So giving the dark brown lip liner with the clear gloss, giving the old classic with the mole right there. Tell me I'm not giving. Okay. They're giving me classy. Put them in a nice hard case and don't freaking lose them. These are so cute. Also came in a Sunglass Spot. Oh, whatever Alicia Keys said. Right here are the flaming hot rimless sunnies in the color smoke. They were also $6.95. They're giving me the nice fluffy lash with the, you know, nice all black outfit. Don't kill them too hard, but kill them, you know, hard. These came from the Sunglass Spot on Instagram, but they also have a website. Like I said, everything's going to be in the description box below. The glasses came up to be $40.80. That's with a $5 shipping. They came within 3 to 7 business days, I can tell you that much. Easy checkout. I've been knowing about this place for a few years. I wish I can show you all the glasses that I've bought from them, but unfortunately I don't know where all the rest of them are. The Sunglass Spot, they have some nice glasses, guys. I think you all should go shop. They also some days be having 20% off. They'll give you like a glass for free. Like, it's certain stuff you just have to tap in with them. So guys, like I said, everything's gonna be in the description box below. Tune in for that. Let's see what else I got. Okay guys, one last pair of glasses. These came from an Instagram boutique, Views by Neek. These were so cute. Let me show you. They give that all black effect, smoked with the thick sides. They're so perfect. I can't wait, y'all. I cannot wait. So let's just get into what's next. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below. You all do not have to worry.